left Wicked fans alternately grimacing and bursting out in laughter. And now Ariana Grande and Cynthia Erivo have shared their reactions to the bizarre holding space meme that they became a part of during Wicked press junket. The 31-year-old pop superstar and the 37-year-old stage and screen star spoke with Variety on Friday about the cringeworthy interview with journalist Tracy E. Gilchrist for Out magazine. While discussing Wicked Part 1 closing number Defying Gravity, Gilchrist claimed fans were taking the lyrics and really holding space with that. In the original clip, put a hand over her chest while looking shocked and replied, "I did not know that was happening, that's really powerful, that's what I wanted." But in her newest sit down with Ariana and director John M. Chu, Cynthia and her co-star Ariana admitted they had no idea what Gilchrist was talking about when they mustered a response. "I was surprised because I had no idea because I had not been looking," Cynthia admitted of the alleged social media post that inspired Gilchrist. She was like, "Well, I guess," Ariana added of the journalist's response when asked about the alleged post. "I had no idea that this thing was going on," Cynthia reiterated in her Variety interview, "so I did not know what any part of it meant," Ariana said more bluntly, which got a laugh out of John. "I did not understand the first sentence, and then I definitely did not understand what was happening. How you responded," she continued. "I was like, oh, what did she say? And what did you hear? And I just wanted to be there for Cynthia because I knew something big was happening and I did not know how to be there." Then the new interview edited in a clip of Ariana bizarrely grasping Cynthia's index finger in an apparent show of sport from the original meme. "But then after a while I did not know how to be there," Cynthia responded, as their director could not contain his chuckles. "She said something that meant something to her, then it meant something totally different to you. Then she tried to get somewhere else," Ariana tried to explain, "and the craziest thing was I remember in the moment asking myself, am I okay? Did I not hear something?" Because Cynthia looks like she's about to cry again and I am about to grab her finger because I think she might need something and I don't know what that tapping her finger is about. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.